Hey guys, welcome to Technical Protocol, and today we're going to see how to export any video in iMovie, or you can or how to upload any video from iMovie to YouTube. So this is just a simple step. So for the exporting iMovie, as you can see on the top right corner, there is one say option. So just click on that. Okay, and when you just click, there are the 6 different options. So if you just want to export any video from the iMovie, just click on the export file. So when you just click on that, you can see the one pop up. So you can change the name that you want. Okay, so I'm not going to do this. Okay, okay, just change uh, export video from iMovie. Okay, so you can also change the description, and you can also change the text. You can change what are the format that you want. You want the audio only, or you want video and audio both. You can also change the resolutions. That is the different resolution you want, so select that, and the quality that you want of the final video. So if you are doing it for the any YouTube video, it will be recommended to use the best option, so you can get the higher uh, definition video. And there are also different compression algorithm for video. So again, if you are doing it for just casual purpose, then just select the faster. Otherwise, if you are doing for the some higher quality purpose, then choose the better quality. So here I'm doing just faster options, and just select the next. Okay, so when you just do this, you can select where you want to save. Just select the where you want and just save. So when you just save, it will be automatically save the video. Okay, so just let's do it here, and as you can see, it is going to be saved, but I'm not going to save because I already saved, so I'm just going to cancel it. Okay, and now let's see how to upload the video directly from iMovie to YouTube. So again, this process is also simple. Just click on the YouTube. Okay, so here you can change the name, description, the text, and here you can see the resolution. So there are the different resolutions you can select. So select the resolution that you want to upload on the YouTube. So I'm just doing for the tutorial purpose, so I'm selecting the simple version HD. And in the category, so there are the different the category that you can find on the YouTube. So just select let's say I'm using the education, and even on the privacy, for for what are the people who can you access your video. So if you are doing for your YouTube channel, do it in public. And you can, on the bottom left corner, you can see the estimated size of your video. And here you have to sign in your Google account. So just select on this and the sign in with your Google account. Okay, and when you just go to the next, it will be the window will pop up, and that the different the terms and the services. And when you just hit the publish, it will be uploading your video to YouTube. So you can see the process here, but I'm not uploading, so I'm just canceling it right now. So this is the video how to export video from the iMovie, and also the tutorial how to export the video to YouTube from the iMovie. Hope you like this small tutorial, and consider subscribe if you like this type of the small video from us. Thank you.